Hey, Gary, as an operator, I would like to hear your truth behind the door regarding now that you've been set up and you're operating. Talk to me about maintaining the system. What's critical regarding maintaining smart units as a service at your facilities?
Well, the easy answer is I don't even know what maintenance of this operation is because we just flat don't do any. The 10-year battery life is critical because we can't get back in there every year and charge batteries. We can't get notifications every day that we've got devices with low battery or anything. I mean, it needs to be truly, touch free, and that's certainly the best part of the maintenance program. We did have one instance where your team called us and told us we had a network problem, and they said, "Don't worry about it, we'll take care of it." And somebody was out the next day, and I don't know what they did, but we were back up and running, and I didn't have to do anything. So clearly, when we're talking about maintenance of the StorageDefender program, the fact that I really don't know anything about it is a really good thing when you're trying to run a facility.